Hello everyone, Paul Smeed with Smeed Communication Services. I have a tech tip here that's really exciting. We have engineered an interface to go from cloud systems into our TCU. You know, in the beginning with telephones, we used analog connections or a POTS phone line to connect into our old ICS intercoms and stuff like that. Then as technology improved, the TCU intercom went to SIP connections, which is a VoIP or voice over IP kind of connection. And we've been able to interface digital phone systems with SIP connections to our telecenter. And so that's, we went from analog to SIP, then we went from SIP to SIP with phone systems. And the latest technology in telephones is everything's gonna go cloud-based. And that's internet in the cloud that's got to come in, and there's registrations that have to happen and interfaces to work with a cloud system. They don't directly connect to intercoms and things like that. But Smeed Communications has developed an interface that will take us from our Univerge Blue cloud telephone system to our Rauland TCU system. And I want to demo that to you because we're really excited about this. This is something that no one else really does. Everybody says they can do it, but we can show you. If I was at my desk, which is a cloud phone, I could just dial an extension and it would ring into my telecenter through your wireless network or your internet network. But I have an app on my phone that is my cloud phone on my phone. So I'm going to I've just called into the telecenter. I'm going to dial up this classroom right here. And because I'm close, it might be a little ringy. Oh, wow, it came out. Anyway, you got the light, I get two-way communications, and now I have a walk-around console phone that I can use out on the playground. That was just where I was using an app on my cell phone, and I talked right into the TCU directly to a classroom for two-way intercom. I can also trigger lockdowns. I can do all clears. I can do all pages. I can do all kinds of connectivity. And this is a very nice, neat interface that Smeed has for our NEC Cloud customers. In addition, something else that we've worked out is that because we want to interface with whatever type of technology the school has. And a lot of schools just have classroom phones that are old analog phones, and they're single lines or maybe they're multi-lines or something like that. But we have come up with a gateway that this particular one happens to allow you to run like 16 classroom phones, and then it connects into the internet and goes and becomes cloud phones. And we just use a very simple licensing plan, and that the cost of the phones is very inexpensive. We can reuse the wiring, the phones, you know, and not have to throw out everything and rewire with network ports and things like that. This is really exciting. Nobody shows it, but Smeed does. If you have questions, give us a call. You can email me at paul@smeed.com. Have a great day.